I opened my PayPal account and I was like, what the hell? Ivizu here, and in this video I want to talk about how PayPal held $42,000 on my PayPal account and I was not able to withdraw that money. I was not able to pay my ads and my supplier. That money was just completely frozen on my account. But before we get into that, I want to talk about a quick announcement that I have, and that is I'm giving away 2 free coaching calls, 20-minute coaching calls to 2 of you guys. The first one is going to be chosen at random, and the second one is going to be chosen for having the best comment. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is comment down below, like this video, and also share this video with one of your friends. And also a quick tip, if you want to increase your chance of winning, make sure to follow me on Instagram, which is @ivizu. You can check the link down below. Recently I hit 10,000 per day, and then I was hovering around 7,000 to 8,000 per day after that. Until on Tuesday I wanted to pay my supplier, and I checked my PayPal account because I wanted to pay him, but my account was just limited. I was like, what the hell is happening? And I checked my email, and I got an email from PayPal saying that due to high volume of processed orders, we need to review your account, and until your account is reviewed, 100% of the money on PayPal will not be able to withdrawn, and you will be not able to pay with the money until the review. The only thing that I was able to do is accept money. So every day just thousands and thousands of dollars would come into my PayPal, but I was not able to pay like my supplier or ads or anything. And I was like really freaking out, but I checked the email and there were like a bunch of questions from PayPal. So the first thing I did, I just started like writing a document. I started to answer those questions. Also, I contact my supplier like for all the invoices, because that's what PayPal also requires. So when I was calling customer support of PayPal, I was not able to get through the review team. But what the customer support rep did, they submitted a ticket to make it a priority so people would review it faster. And lo and behold, 2 days after the hold, on Thursday, I got a call in the morning, the first thing in the morning, and they called me and they were like saying, okay, so we have reviewed the account. What we are going to do is we are going to hold $25,000 as like a collateral hold, which is basically just like a security thing for them. And because like some of my orders have been shipped, but they haven't arrived yet, so that's why they need like a collateral hold. And that hold was like for 30 days, and then plus on top of that, they gave me a rolling reserve of 20% for 60 days. And the rolling reserve basically means that every day, like from the revenue that you make, they're going to hold 20%, and those 20% they're going to release after 60 days. So let's say today you make $10,000, they're going to hold $2,000, and they're going to give them back in 60 days. Tomorrow, the money that you make, they're going to hold 20% and give you like 60 days after that. So that's basically what happened. Guys, like I think it's like for a lot of people this is scary, and yes, it is. Like it can mess up your cash flow. But the thing is, you need to look at this as a positive thing, because you are building a positive relationship with PayPal, because this is, for them, this is risky. And PayPal, you gotta look at them as your partner. They're your payment processor. They're allowing you to take payments, you know? And like this hold or this rolling reserve is a way to establish trust between you and them. I actually called PayPal and I asked like, okay, so when I receive like a rolling reserve or a hold, is it possible that I will get another one after that? And they said it's very unlikely. Like once you have one, it's very unlikely that you will have like some other issues with PayPal again, you know? So like unless you have like too many disputes or something, like unless something crazy happens, you will not gonna have any issues. So actually I was like very happy. I'm very relieved that this finally happened, and I can start finally like thinking about the reserve, like the rolling reserve, and start working with that instead of like being scared of it, you know? So this happening, you gotta look at it like the PayPal hold, you gotta look at it as a good thing. Lastly, what I wanted to say, there are a few things that's gonna improve the hold that you're going to get, and all those things I have myself personally applied, and I'm gonna give you those tips that you need to do to get a better deal with PayPal. The first thing is you need the app. It's called PayPal's Tracking on Autopilot app. It's on Shopify. I'm gonna leave a link below. The other thing is you need really good customer service. They need to reply fast, because if they don't reply fast, you're going to get a lot of disputes or claims. So far I've done I don't know, like 70K lately, and another like 30 something K before. So from thousands of orders, I had only 3 disputes so far, you know. So you gotta keep your dispute rate low, but if you get a dispute, you gotta deal with it quickly. Otherwise, it's gonna decrease your like PayPal account score. The other thing that you need to do, like whenever you're contacting PayPal, you just need to be very polite. Like, you know, you need to try to like connect with them, be very polite, very friendly, very like understanding, like with everything. And when PayPal requests any documents, you have to give them all documents. Otherwise, they might not approve the things that you want. Like they might shut down your account if you don't give them all like documents and stuff like that, you know. So that's it. Like if you are curious, like what questions I got, I'm gonna post them in my Facebook group. So check out the link below. There's my Facebook group. And by the way, guys, if you know some guy who is really good at Instagram or YouTube growth, make sure to DM me on Instagram. I really want to grow my YouTube channel and my Instagram account. So if there's someone that's willing to help me, we can maybe figure out on like a way how we can cooperate. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe and share this video. And don't forget about the giveaway. You can win a coaching call. So see you in the next video. See ya.